guys, it's Nancy Ann. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing and trying out iMethod Beauty's Lip Plumper. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for spending a little bit of time with me to check out yet another iMethod Beauty product. This is my fourth product of theirs to review. I've done their He Blushed Stick before, which I really love. It's a cream blush. That's so great because I can wear it on days when I don't want to wear foundation and it sticks all day. And then my last video was a comparison of two different brow grooming products, the wax and the gel, and I love both those products too. So the products of theirs that I've used so far I've been really impressed with. When they contacted me and said, would you like to try something else? I said, sure, why don't you make a suggestion on what I should use, because I love everything. And so they said, would you like to try the Lip Plumper? And I said, okie doke, let's give it a whirl. I'm not really sure what to do with this. We're going to figure it out together. You will notice I don't have lipstick on, and I always have lipstick on, but I wanted to make sure that nothing got in the way. You know, I was using it the way it was supposed to. So let's figure out if I needlessly don't have lipstick on or not here as we look at the product. So this on the back, I noticed, whoops, that's my microphone. These are my glasses. It says, note, you may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last up to 5 to 10 minutes. Apply only within the perimeter of the lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. So keep that in mind. You really want to keep it right on your lips. And on the side, it says plump, fill, lift. And then on the front, of course, it says iMethod Beauty Lip Plumper, please. Excuse the glare from the ring light. Okie doke. So let's open up the product together. And I'm going to have to look this way to apply it because that's where I can see my image. What is, oh, it's just, oh, so there's two different, I thought there was two different tubes. I didn't think there was color for this. Yep, it comes just like that. I don't know what to do with this, and there are no instructions in there. Okay, I did the research I should have done before I started recording this video. So there's two in here, and one is for day and one is for night. And the day one apparently is what really kind of plumps and makes your, well, it pumps them too. Your lips look fuller. And then the night one is very moisturizing. Let me read you what the website says. Here we go. Hi, beautiful. Are you looking for lip products for the perfect pout? iMethod Lip Plumper makes lips look instantly fuller, plumper, and more enhanced. It does have a stronger tingling sensation than most, but don't be alarmed. It just means it's working. Our Lip Plumper with natural ingredients such as ginger, mint, and vitamin E work to make your lips look fuller and more moisturized. No parabens, no fluff, just effective, cruelty-free formulas that target any concern from wrinkles to breakouts. And that's one thing about their company, is that they do keep a lot of the more harmful ingredients out, and they try to keep everything really wholesome and truly good for your skin. So one of them, which one, is the day, and that's the one we'll try to do. Now they do make Lip Plumper lip glosses. Those are colored. This is like a clear gloss that goes on during the day, and they said you can also layer it over lip color. So, and then the night, I think, like I said, is just strictly moisturizing. And I always put lip glossy stuff on, lip balm on at night. So let's try the Lip Plumper. I'm going to be ready. It's supposed to feel very tingly. We'll see how it looks with gloss alone first. So let me look over here. I can't see good enough. I'm like, woo! A little bit got on my tongue. It tastes a little gingery. Woohoo! That is very tingly. Wow. It feels like, it feels a little bit like cayenne pepper on my lips, but they said don't be alarmed. Let's wait and see if anything happens. And apparently the nighttime stuff, the nighttime gloss is supposed to really help with hydration more than like your typical lip balm would. Oh yeah, I can feel that. How do you think it looks? It's just a clear gloss. Now I'm afraid to put my lipstick over top because I'm afraid of getting this on my lipstick, and then let's put it on my fingers. Got a pretty purple. I wonder how the gloss that's infused with this feels, but I am glad to have the nighttime moisturizer. I will say it's not getting any more uncomfortable. It's not really uncomfortable. It just feels very, very tingly than it did when I first put it on. So let's just try combining it with a little bit of lip color. Since I need lip color. So there you go. I would imagine as time goes on, because it's that tingly and it's bringing blood to the surface of my lips, that they're going to be a little bit more full, and then eventually it will die down. I realized I did a complete disservice to this product and to you by not trying it for a while and then getting back to you. So my husband will insert this somewhere in the video. So I've been using for several days now both the day product and the nighttime. And the Lip Plumper for daytime, I really like it. So for about the first 40 minutes or so, you can feel, that's the darker one, you can feel the tingling, but it gradually goes down, and by the time the 40-minute mark goes around, I don't feel it anymore. I do notice it does plump my lips some. I will put, have my husband put pictures in of before I applied the product and then 30 minutes after. So you can do a comparison for yourself. And then the nighttime product, actually, it's the clear one, and it has just a little bit of a tingle to it, but it's very moisturizing. What has surprised me about this set is my lips are so much softer than they were before I started using it. I mean, you'd think with the tingling it would dry them out a little bit, but very much softer. Also on my face right now, this is my bare minimum makeup. I have no foundation. I have 2 other iMethod products on. I use these all the time. The clear brow gel from my last iMethod unboxing and the He blush stick from my first iMethod unboxing. I will try to remember to link those down below, or if my husband can figure out how to put a link up here, we'll have him do that. And I actually put a little bit of the He blushed color actually on my eyes and my lips. So that's my whole face. Thank you very much. Let's get on with the video. But this is kind of a neat product. Should I put it over or under? I think I kind of liked it under, because then I get those ingredients right on my lips. And then like I did, just using lipstick with my finger instead of out of the tube. So there we go. iMethod Lip Plumper. There is a daytime plumping formula. Is that day or night? And then one of them's daytime and one of them's nighttime. And then the nighttime is just to moisturize. Another great product from iMethod. If you use my code, I believe it was Nancy Ann, I'll have Sam put it down below and I'll put it in the top. You will save 15% off of your purchase when you go to the website. Oh, by the way, the price on this is $29.97. It is on sale right now for $18.97. And if there's a place to enter a coupon code, just put Nancy Ann in there. I think that's the right code, and you'll save 15%. Well, thank you very much for taking time to spend with me again and discover a new terrific product by iMethod Beauty. If you could just take a second, of course, poke the like button for me. That helps me so much with YouTube. Comments down below. Not only does it help me, but I have so much fun interacting with you guys. And if this is your first time visiting and you like these sort of unboxings, then please consider subscribing. I would be most honored. Alrighty, we will see everybody on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today I am going to be, well, that was backwards. I need to actually see the product. Okay. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today I am going to be unboxing and trying out iMethod Beauty's, what is this? It's Lip Plumper. Let me do that again. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today I am, what did I say? Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and in this video I am going to be unboxing and trying out iMethod Beauty's Lip Plumper. Lip Plumper? Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today's, okay, this is going to work eventually.